Um, Thank you, Kickstarter people, for Graffiti Wars, book number two. This is my newsletter, and it's going to be a short one. And I would share some news first, which is I've been staying here longer in New Mexico than I have in 38 years. I watched a full moon come up in November a couple nights ago, and I realized that it was the first one in November that I've seen in 38 years. So that's cool. Thanksgiving, I'm coming back to the Bay Area um, to spend the winter and the spring there. And then my Oakland art studio is being sold. And so I'm going to let go of my space there, which I've had that studio for 10 years. I've been in the Bay Area for 40 some years. And I've decided to then move full time out here in New Mexico. And so I do need to do some things about winter next year, but it's pretty neat. So right now I'm kind of cleaning up and organizing and packing for the drive back around Thanksgiving. So this then is my next um, artist proof. So I showed you one actually last time. I pulled another one already. Um, so I'm actually ahead of my schedule. And so this one is 200 and almost 50 pages long. Here, I can do it like this way. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's a bigger spine, you know. So now what I'm doing, literally last night, I went through half of this. I went through half of it and I just open up a page. You know, I go to the next page and then I can see like, oh, that type is too high. You know, that type's good. I can pull that to the left. Um, you know, I guess just go through every single page and look at just intuitively like what wants to happen next. And then I've sent this to a friend who's been giving me some feedback and finding typos, and I'm going to send it to another friend for editing stuff. So I'm in that phase. But you know, once I do another pass at this and then really look at some of the pages where I'm not quite happy with the art, and some of the art is it's okay if it's good enough, you know, and there's, you know, I do want some really gorgeous big pages of stuff, but every once in a while it's like, okay, that's good enough. It moves my story on and it's all about serving the story. So there you go. Thanks again for believing and you know being involved by being a backer. That's you know awesome. Maybe there's 35 people on this project. You know, namaste.